Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is the second part of Surah Al-Alaq, and today, inshallah, Azza wa Jal, we'll start from the ayah number 8. So let's read after me. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Inna. This is known mushaddad, so we need to take the sound into our nose. Ila. Stretch because of a standing fatha. Rabbikar. Kafil join with the ra. Rabbikar. Like that. Let's read it together. Rabbika ruj'a. Ra will be heavy and Jim will be giving us the sound of qalqala. So we need to bounce back. Inna ila rabbika ruj'a. Let's follow next. Ara'ayta. So let's join them now. أرأيت الذي. We need to stretch this one because of Yamadda. ينهى ينهى. Let's read it together. أرأيت الذي ينهى. Let's follow next. عبدا. The ba is a qalqala letter, so we need to bounce back. إذا صلى. عبدا إذا صلى. Good. أرأيت إن كان على الهدى. Good. Let's follow next. أو أمر. Ra is heavy. بالتقوى. أرأيت إن كذب وتولى. Very good. ألم يعلم بأن الله يرى. Let's read next. كلا. Good. لئن لم ينته. You can pause or you can read it together as well. لنسفعا. You can see there is a tanween sign after that there is a ba. So it's a rule of iqlab. We need to change the noon sakin into the meme. So that is why we're changing it and reading it like and joining with a small meme here. لنسفعا بالناصية. Saud is heavy, make sure to read it heavy. ناصية. Again. ناصية كاذبة خاطئة. So we did it tin here and tin here because this is ikhfa and this is izhar. So this is the thing. Let's read next. فليدعو نادية. Next. سندعو الزبانية. كلا لا تطعه واسجد واقترب. So ayah number 19 is having an ayah of sajda. This is ayah number 19. Ayat is sajda. So as you heard it, with the intention of listening to the Quran and learning the Quran, so you need to do sajda tilawat. Okay. See you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.